So, hello everyone again. This is a small intro video about blacksmithing a utility knife. For any of you who have been watching my channel from the beginning, you know that I like making small things like this. You know that I have some hobbies like this. But out here in rural Cambodia, it's pretty difficult to find equipment, knives, power tools, kind of stuff like that. But you gotta go really rural, and then it's really difficult to find them. So out here, if you want something something specific, something well made, you gotta kind of make it yourself. So please enjoy the video. So in this instance, I'm gonna make an anvil table. Don't know how else to put a hole in it, so this is the best thing that I can find here in the extreme rural of Cambodia. Doesn't seem to have much more than an old sledgehammer, so that's gonna be the anvil. And I can't find any real tools to make a hole, so I'm just gonna burn one, slowly burn a hole. Seems to be the best option so far. "40 kilometers from the nearest road, 80 kilometers from the nearest town." This is the best mechanical setup that, rural Cambodia has to offer. So this was the last part of the tempering cycle. So this side I didn't clean it. This side I cleaned it. The last part is to get it to a golden hue after tempering it. This is after making the knife.